Good morning YouTube company, good morning YouTube, good morning nationwide, worldwide, nation, our different countries, to different people in this world. How are you? Now is almost 5 a.m. and 3 minutes here in Baghdad. Hello Baghdad, hello Iraq, hello to all different countries. How's your day now? It's another day. Oh, Thursday. It's almost weekends. Thank you very much, Lord, for everything that we have. Thank you very much for the more blessings that you are giving to us. Shout out nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different peoples. And thank you very much to all supporters of my YouTube channel. Thank you very much to the all viewers. Thank you very much to the all subscriber of mine. Thank you. I'm just repeating na because just to say thank you very much. Okay. Hello. How are you? So I wake up at 3 o'clock because I go to the bathroom, and 3:30 I put this one, the finger outside, so it's okay already. And the little Kentucky kung sisisi pa. Okay, so I prepare already the sausage for the breakfast of Sisi. I didn't fry it, I make it boiled only to minimize the oil for selling. And the always boiled eggs that I'm doing. Okay, I'm not making except because I make already fried this one for her lunch box and this one. So that's why. So I made it limit about the oil to Celine. Because she's small and she's not like us. Even me nga. Sometimes I make it limit na because of my age. So look, my sala, my dining in the kitchen. So that's all. I have kaak, and I don't put the, I think the cornflakes because she's 30. Ravinda finished from the school, she's eating the cornflakes, okay? So I prepared already. So now I start cooking, okay? Thank you very much. Thank you to all of us. At least I have already, before I'm doing, I start, at least I make it thank you everything to all of us. Generalize na yan including na yan buong bansa na yan, Pilipinas. Di na kita laging hindi ko na ma-individual sa buong angkan. Start from my brother to my niece, may mga in-laws, and both side ni nanay ug ni tatay. To the all angkan to angkan. Okay, thank you. And you are a subscriber or not, you are the part of my journey here, especially to enter my social media. Okay, and this is the journey already as OFW workers. And to all viewers that you are watching of my old videos, so please, and don't forget, I'm just asking a favor for you. I'm knocking from your heart to subscribe, likes, share, and comments. Because you are all, if you are already viewers of my old videos, I'm just asking a favor, both of you, and you know who you are, and God knows everything, and He is the one to provide all of us nationwide, worldwide. Some different happened of the bawat countries, the real situation of the bawat countries, to the real situation to all peoples in this world. God knows everything, okay? God provide and protect us, okay? Thank you very much, and God bless us all. I don't want yet to say bye because I'm still working pa. Okay, this is the butter, and this one also, before I forgot, this one. Okay, some there medyo ano na, I don't think so. And this one is the good one pa. So I tell to madam to give before the leaves will be yellow. Oh, it's almost na. I tell to madam to give to his kalo, so that they can support, because they have a plants, they know how to take care of the plants. Haram naman din, okay? And this one is the gift to madam from this one, okay? Okay, ayan o. Okay, yala, start na tayo. I'm starting na. Same as usual, there is no change me everyday, except in the weekends, except only of the situation of my style, how I do everyday. But in cooking or to prepare in working in my working time, and especially to the children, to Celine to go to school if she has school. And this one, I always clean this one before I go to another one. They're cooking. So that it's not a bad smell. And that is only for my cooking. Nobody will use that one except only me. In my cooking only. That's the part only of my cooking. So I make it sure even my pan, what is the pronunciation? Kawali kung sa Tagalog pa. At saka kaldera kung sa Pilipinas pa. Tagalog kung sa salita pa namin. Kahit even this one is like this, it's black outside and black outside. I cannot remove na this one. It's not become white na. But every day, if I finish cooking, it's make me sure that it's clean. And before I'm doing. And I'm washing also my hands, of course, before I come here in the kitchen. So that's all. And I boiled already my tea. I have always my tea is alternate, that one. Basta every day. I'm not drinking too much completely, the 8 glasses of the water, no? Because I'm drinking this one too much. It depends on what I prepare. Milk, but milk I'm just tell again to the mother of madam to order me para next week. She can give to me my milk. So from the start when I'm 49, I start already drinking this one until now, because I'm already 50 old. So now is in the lemon I cannot found this one, but in the another also supermarket I saw it, but it's very big and I don't want to stock that one very big, the big one ba. And at least this one, if I finish, so you can buy a new one. Okay, so I ordered that one tomorrow. That is my milk. It's hot already, so we start to drink muna sway. Yeah, okay, it's hot now. Slowly. I always the toothpick before I put inside. At saka I use the new one. Always, we have a lot that one. We have a lot. That's why even every day, every cooking I throw when I finish this one, because we have a lot. A lot for that one is from the delivery. I'm talking here in the kitchen alone. And madam, and sir, he is sleep. She go back already in her room. He is sleep. Because Celine kasi if she is sleepy, she is very, she is moving too much. Sir, so Just a minute mo. Interrupt mo na ako sa minus. Sorry. Sorry. Good na. Exactly. Before what's that, 5:15, I'm cooking na. Yesterday, I'm not cooking because I have a rice. I make rice and the laban. Not every day as what I'm telling you. Alternate. Every day if it's cold. The lunch box of CC is not the same. It's not the same. Every day I change it. Alternate. Repeating the food, but change another. Now, it's Thursday kasi, so that's what I do. This one. Thursday, so that one I want. At least that she is it. That's what I'm telling. Always I'm telling that. She can eat quickly to finish. Rice and laban talaga yan. There is no another one so that she can eat. Especially if she's not too much, she didn't finish all the breakfast that I prepared. Sure that in the lunch time in the school, she can eat all. And I have always extra talaga. I'm putting some extra. Okay, see, I say bye-bye na, bye-bye. God bless us all again. Thank you very much. Keep safe lagi, okay? Especially now, I don't know the another countries what time they are. If they are still asleep or they are working, or they start working. The Philippines, the Asian country, make it sure that they start working already, okay? Keep safe lagi. Ingat. Good health. And God bless us all. And bye.